Hello and welcome to my Hindi writing series. I'm Mamta and we are learning Hindi swar. We have learned a, e, u so far. Let us learn some more swar and also some more new Hindi words. Let us start. Next swar in Hindi is A. Unity in Hindi is Ekta. This is new word for you. Paste this picture in your picture book and write Ekta in Hindi. So we say A se Ekta. That means Ekta starts with swar A. To pronounce A correctly, pronounce it as you pronounce EI in English word 8. A 8. A 8. For writing, please follow the pencil movement and write in the same manner. Notice that A in printed form is different from how we write it. Second swar in this lesson is A. Observe when you speak A, it is the sound which you get by joining A and A. Remember, you should not speak long A. Speak short A and then A. So it's not I, it's A. A. The word starting with A is Ainak. This is also new word for you. Please paste this in your picture book. Ainak is spectacles in English. Say Ainak. To pronounce A correctly, pronounce it as you pronounce AE in English word aeroplane. 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 Follow the pencil movement while writing A. Also, observe the printed A is again different from how we write it. Let's revise. Unity, Ekta. Unity, Ekta. A se Ekta. Spectacles, Ainak. Ainak. A se Ainak. Let's revise. A, I, U, A. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi writing with me. I will try to upload videos every Thursday and Saturday. Please watch and share my videos with your friends and family. Do comment down below and let me know your feedback on my videos. We will continue to learn more Hindi swar in our next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Namaste.